Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, folks, welcome back. We're looking at this quadratic equation sponsored by MSL, Stafford Road. Okay, we have x squared plus y squared equals 100. Y is equal to 14 minus x. We also do emojis. Now, this is, we call this equation number 1, equation number 2. Okay, now, what we need to do in this particular question here, okay, I'm actually going to get rid of those extra bits I just put on. Just add an extra bit of untidiness. Right. We've got two equations. These are simultaneous equations, grade A star questions. We need to solve it. The way we solve it is we substitute the linear equation, which is the second one, for the value of y in the first equation over here. So we have now x squared plus y squared, but y has the value of 14 minus x. So squared means it multiplied by itself, not multiplied by 2, as is a common mistake by students. Now, when you multiply the brackets, we do FOIL, front, outside, inside, and last two. So we have x squared plus 14 times by 14, which gives us 14 times by minus x, which gives us, and then another minus
14x.
And then minus x times by minus x will give us,
X squared.
okay, is equal to 100. We need to bring the 100 over. So we have one x squared here and another one here. That gives us altogether what?
2x squared.
Right. Come on, folks. Can we focus on the task at hand? Okay, now we have 196 here. And the 100 comes over because minus and it becomes?
96.
Okay, minus 14x becomes?
Minus 28.
Okay, are we happy with that so far?
Yes.
Now what we're going to do is going to quickly rearrange it by putting the x term in the middle. That's what we normally have in a quadratic equation. It doesn't matter mathematically, but we like to make it look correct in the right place. So what should we do here now, ladies? We should first of all, if we're going to factorize it manually, we could help ourselves by dividing everything by 2.
Okay.
That'll give us what?
X squared minus 14x plus 48.
Is equal to nothing. Okay, are we happy with that?
Yeah.
Right, now let's factorize it then. So two numbers, time to give you plus 48. When you add them up, it gives you minus 14. So we have to start with the x, and the x will be the numbers. Minus 6 times by minus 6 times by minus 8 will give you plus 48, but when you add them, it will give you minus 14. You happy with that, Mustafa? You got that? Okay, so now if you solve that, Mr. Hani,
yeah,
what does that give you? X is equal to 6 and x is equal to 8. So we bring those two values up here. Now 6. So we know y is equal to 14 minus the x value. 14 minus 6. And y is equal to 14 minus 8. So what is 14 minus 6? 14 minus 6. What is 14 minus 6?
8.
Okay, that took a long time. I thought I was in the foundation class. Huh? Okay, y is equal to 14 minus 8.
You might laugh about foundation.
14 minus 8 is?
6, I mean, yeah, 6, yeah.
Okay, right. So the answer is x equals 6, y equals 8. X equals 8 and y equals 6. And that's the end of that question. So we got some multiplying, some simplifying, rearranging, dividing, factorizing, solving, substituting, not much really. Okay, are we happy with that question?